So Patel Engineering is actually a true infrastructure company. This is the 75th year. We are the leaders, the pioneers in hydro. So we've been in the business of just not making dams, but actually building the nation. So everything we do is literally a monument, and it impacts the country's power structure. So we started our digital transformation journey actually in 2010. We had another system at the time, and the problems with that system that we realized that why we needed a system like SAP was the data wasn't integrated enough. We had to stitch things up. We were not getting the information at the right time, at the right place, in the format that we wanted, especially now with the different business needs.
We deal with many unknown factors. It's mostly to deal with the natural phenomenon like geological conditions and floods, earthquakes, so on and so forth, which brings a lot of uncertainty, and they are not predictable. Unlike road or building, they are not linear in execution. That means we needed a software which could actually take care of all these uncertainties, take into the equation that your production would be highly seasonal, could be varied due to reasons beyond our control. Our problem with the legacy system was that data was not available in real time, and we had to work out, and after 3 months we came to know what went wrong 3 months back, which was not good enough for us. Second bigger challenge was that when we started monitoring, we realized that the delegation of power that is required at various levels, the legacy system did not provide that kind of flexibility to provide the delegation of power. Whereas SAP has the inbuilt flexibility to level-wise provide the delegation of power with various authorities.
Highbar is a dominant player for implementation in the hydro. For us, it was a no-brainer to go with them. We did look at other partners, but Highbar was the best contender at the time because one, they knew the business. So in a way, we could start with them more from a discussion point of view rather than just a conversation. Besides the core system that SAP had, they already had a package in place. So we could get onto a better conversation with them in terms of how we wanted that package to be tailored to our business, because they understood the business. So for us, we had a very tight schedule. We had 6 months, and that's a very dynamic, it was a very dynamic goal actually. And we achieved it. We set the date, we went live on that date, and thanks to them, we did that. But primarily it was their partnership. They became one of us. Very good team, very dynamic, young.
It was a phenomenal experience implementing SAP with Highbar team, as we could implement our 24 active projects within a short time.
We required a partner who has some exposure to the industry, that means hydropower and the construction industry to begin with. We found that Highbar has both. Highbar has the experience of implementation of SAP, and they are coming from the background of infrastructure industry, especially with reference to hydropower. The understanding and the time taken to build up the team and understanding each other's requirements very fast, and that was the advantage that we have with Highbar.